Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to mute messages tone on WhatsApp. This feature is especially handy if you want to silence incoming message notifications but still receive them on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. You can do this by tapping on the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once you have opened WhatsApp, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the page. Tap on this icon to access the menu. Step 3. From the menu options, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Notifications option. Tap on this to access the notification settings for WhatsApp. Step 5. Under the Messages section, you will see an option for Notifications Tone. Tap on this to customize the tone for incoming message notifications. Step 6. To mute the message's tone, simply choose the option for Silent. This will silence the notification tone for incoming messages while still displaying them on your device. And there you have it. You have successfully muted the message's tone on WhatsApp. Now you can receive messages without being disturbed by constant notification tones. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.